Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Xfinity. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate Paramount Plus on your Xfinity device, begin by ensuring your Xfinity service is active. Next, turn on your Xfinity cable box in your TV. Using your remote, navigate to the Apps section on your Xfinity home screen. Locate the Paramount Plus app in the list of available apps. If you don't see it, you may need to download it from the App Store. Once you find the app, select it to open. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Paramount Plus account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. After signing in, you will receive an activation code on your screen. Now, take note of this activation code. On your mobile device or computer, open a web browser. Navigate to the Paramount Plus activation website. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the provided field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once done, return to your Xfinity device. The Paramount Plus app should now be fully activated and ready to use. Enjoy streaming your favorite movies and shows on Paramount Plus via Xfinity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.